Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this pretty unique kit here. This is a GE Miser Outdoor Floodlight and Fixture kit. Now I've never really seen anything like this before from GE of this age. Of course, GE did make a fixture and bulb system for a plant light, and I do have one of those, but I've never seen GE do something like this where it comes with a lamp holder and the bulb. Interesting, so, well, here it is. So on the front of the packaging, which is pretty well worn, we can see GE Miser Outdoor Floodlight and Fixture. It uses a 120 watt miser bulb. That's where we get the miser from. Of course, you can also stake it in the ground or mount it on a flat surface. You can use it in all these areas. On the back, you can see the benefits of the miser bulb versus the standard GE bulb, with some additional information here at the bottom. Energy saver, made in the USA, that's nice. And here's another side that shows you examples of where you can use this fixture. So on the top of the box we just have that basic stuff, and on the bottom we have a code. So move that off to the side because this is what comes inside of the box, stacked on top of each other so it fits in there. You get the bulb and the lamp holder. So let's start with the lamp holder. It's just got the same picture on pretty much all the sides here. But on the back we have some information. We can see it isn't made directly by GE. It's made by this Cable Electric Products for GE. But here's the specifications of the fixture itself. So let's go ahead and open it up. Same design box as the power bulb. So we can open it up and take everything out. Inside, we will find our base for mounting it on a flat surface. The first thing that I will notice that I don't necessarily like is that if you hang it on a hook, it's pointing at an angle. It's not pointing, straight down, but, if you screw it on at an angle or something, then I guess it's better. I don't know. Or they just cut these holes randomly, but it's molded in there, so whatever. Interesting. Here we have a gasket and the screw to put the fixture together. You can see how to use the stake or put the plate on the wall. Put the gasket on the bulb, of course. Nothing on the back. And you have the stake that can go on the ground. And of course the fixture itself. Now the first thing I noticed when I opened this up is, look at how, this plastic is supposed to withstand the heat of this bulb, but I guess so, and it's really strong plastic though. And you can see this cheapy looking socket in here, but, well, it must be made to withstand the heat again because it is UL certified. And obviously it fits in here, either the stake or the plate here just fits in there, and then you have your fixture itself. You have your gasket, which then goes around the base here with the bulb. So I guess we'll take a look at the bulb itself. Pretty basic stuff, all the same stuff that we saw on the big package. On the back we have the same information about the bulb. So let's go ahead and open it up. Same kind of package. And there's the bulb itself. Now there's something really cool about this bulb. It has the red etch, which GE did for a while on their miser bulbs. So pretty cool. Pretty nice red etch. Still have the GE logo on the front. So what you do, of course, you put that gasket on, but we're not going to do that because we're just going to demonstrate. It screws right in here. Yeah, it has a pretty firm grip on it. You see there's a pretty big gap in here. I mean, you can put your whole hand in there. I'm not pushing it out of the way to do that either. Kind of looks funny, but it does the job. Of course, you have your pretty thick cord here, which is nice. Here's the plug. It is polarized, so let's go ahead and we'll plug it in here. And, well, it's a floodlight. So, obviously, it lights things up like a floodlight would. Wouldn't expect anything less out of it. Look at the GE logo, very nice. But just an overall, like, really unique fixture. You know, it comes with the fixture and the bulb. I wonder how much it was when it was brand new. But just a very cool, you know, kit. There's everything pretty much. Anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video of this unique GE Miser outdoor flood light and fixture kit. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.